What's your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What's your dad's name?
His name is John.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What do you drink with dinner?
I drink water.
What do you do on weekends?
I go to the park.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I love cartoons.
Do you take a bath every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What is your pet's name?
His name is Max.
Who helps you with homework?
My mom helps me.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you wear a school uniform?
Yes, I do.
What is that?
It is a guitar.
What's your mom's name?
Her name is Sarah.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a teddy bear.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Who cooks in your house?
My mom cooks.
What do you do at school?
I learn and play.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like to splash in puddles.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
What do you do for fun?
I ride my bike.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Do you like summer or winter?
I like summer.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your teacher's name?
Her name is Mrs. Lily.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you take in your school bag?
I take books and pencils.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Mia.
Do you play at school?
Yes, I play with my friends.
What do you eat at lunch?
I eat a sandwich and fruit.
Do you read books at school?
Yes, I do.
What color is your school bag?
It is red.
What do you like to do at home?
I like to play with my toys.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help to clean my room.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What do you use to write?
I use a pencil.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and milk.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What games do you like?
I like hide and seek.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like drawing flowers.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
What do you wear when it's cold?
I wear a jacket and a hat.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. Want to see your comment featured in the next video? Drop one below. I might just pick yours. See you next time.